Have you ever wondered, what if the human penis had a bone inside it? It sounds strange at first, but here's the surprising truth. Many animals actually do have a bone in their penis. This bone is called the baculum. Dogs have it, cats have it, bears have it. Even some primates, animals closely related to humans, have it. But humans? We don't. So why did we lose it? And what would happen if we had one? Let's break it down in a simple way. First, what is this bone? The baculum is a small bone inside the penis that helps animals achieve and maintain an erection without relying fully on blood flow. In humans, an erection happens when blood fills soft tissues, making the penis firm. It's a natural hydraulic system, no bone involved. But in animals with a baculum, the bone provides structure and support. This allows them to mate for longer periods, and sometimes even without a full blood-based erection. For example, some animals can mate for hours because of this bone. Now here comes the interesting question. Why don't humans have it? Scientists have studied this for years, and there are a few strong theories. One major theory is about evolution and mating style. Animals that compete heavily for mates often have a baculum because it helps them stay inside the female longer and increases chances of reproduction. But humans evolved differently. Human relationships became more focused on pair bonding, attraction, and female choice. In this system, a man's ability to get and maintain an erection naturally became a signal of health and fitness. In simple words, if the body can create a strong erection naturally, it shows the male is healthy. So, over thousands of years, humans likely lost the baculum because it was no longer necessary. Natural selection removed it. Now, imagine for a second. What if humans still had that bone? There would be some advantages. Erections might be more stable and less affected by stress or blood flow problems. Conditions like erectile dysfunction might be less common, but there would also be disadvantages. A bone inside such a sensitive organ could make injuries more dangerous. Damage or fractures could be extremely painful and serious. Also, flexibility would be reduced. Human erections are flexible because they rely on soft tissue and blood, which actually helps reduce injury risk. And here's something very important. Human intimacy is not just mechanical. It involves emotions, hormones, connection, and the brain. Our system is designed not just for reproduction, but also for emotional bonding. There's also an interesting scientific detail. Human DNA still carries small traces suggesting our distant ancestors may have had this bone millions of years ago. But over time, evolution gradually phased it out. So, what's the conclusion? At first, it might seem like humans are missing something, but in reality, the human body developed a more advanced system, one that depends on blood flow, hormones, brain signals, and overall health. In fact, doctors often say erection quality can be a signal of heart health and circulation. So, in a way, the absence of a bone turned this organ into a natural health indicator. So, next time you hear that some animals have a bone there, remember, humans didn't lose something important. We evolved something more complex, something more connected to health, attraction, and emotional connection. For more fascinating facts about your body and the hidden science of everyday life, hit like and subscribe to 3Mints Science so you never miss your next mind-blowing discovery.